All right, I think I know what the problem is. So originally we had our internet plugged in the first port here. I just shifted down, so it looks like this port's actually bad. So if I go ahead and connect my main Ethernet, so I have this black one going and connects to this laptop here. But if you notice, there is no visible light of activity whatsoever. So, I mean, obviously the second one is lighting up, but the first one isn't. So if we look here, we don't have any internet whatsoever. No internet, see that? Well, what's interesting is if we shift this one down to a different port, say this one, third one, see it's got a green light now, which means it is connected now. So now we can go ahead and check the computer. Again, it's connected, and see, we now have connection. So, yep, just click videos because, you know, it's faster to load videos. Takes a lot more stuff, but yeah, it's loading stuff, loading videos. So, yeah, looks like our port for this one is bad. And then if we look at the switch itself, so this is our, so this comes off our router from upstairs. So we actually have this guy, the Ethernet, connecting all the way upstairs to the router upstairs, and then it comes back down through this piping, and then I bring it back here to the switch here. But I have it connected to the switch and it's not lighting up anything. Now, if I remove this, well, as a matter of fact, let's go ahead and remove all of these connections. Take a little bit, bear with me. Okay, so, all right, all of this is disconnected. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just get an Ethernet cable connected to the third port. I know the third port works because I already tested it earlier. And I'm just gonna connect that directly to the switch itself on number 1. And there you go. So it's recognizing it. Okay, that's good. All right. And so now I'm gonna go ahead and connect another wire. Let's see. Let's go ahead and do the laptop one. So I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect this. So, all right, so now that is completely disconnected. And see here, there's no more internet. So we go ahead and try to click on a video. So there you go, it's not connected. So now we're gonna go back. We're gonna connect it to the switch itself. All right, so now it's connected to the switch itself. See if it recognizes it. Okay, so it does recognize it. Oh, actually, it might be working. Okay, so now that we see that it's recognizing, we're gonna go back. And, oh, there you go. We do have internet. So the switch isn't the problem. It was actually port number 1 that was the issue. So like I said, initially this was plugged in like this in the very first one. And then initially, and you can see that there is no activity light going on. So that's what the problem was.